So you understood the market now. Okay. There are several people right now in term of tech. They are taking some of the in terms of internship.
Yeah,
They are
you're right.
taking some right.
Okay.
They are taking
Right.
and they are giving the paid internship for you. Right.
Mm-hmm.
They are making out some of the out of the money.
Mm-hmm.
Or the Razorpay payment, it's like 3,000, 4,000. Like like there are hundreds of people if they get how much
Yeah.
money they can make it,
Yes.
right? So this is what the scenario is all about. Why I was telling not to go with that.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So this was the scenario all about. So now, can you just introduce yourself with a lot of expression, lot of exciting, and
Okay.
yeah.
Hi, my name is Rakesh. I have graduated in computer science of engineering from Mathurasri College. I am doing project on Excel.
So I will give you a tip here. Okay.
Okay.
Hi, my name is Rakesh. I have done my computer science and engineering from Matoshi College. All right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
I have been done pretty plenty of projects, which is mainly focused on building a dashboards in Excel, and also I've understood about the problem statement to how we can come up with the things step by step. So
Okay.
what the problem statement is all about, how we can put into the place, how how the data works, how the data is coming out. This is what the thing, right? You are
Yes.
putting into the structure things and everything is coming into the place, right?
Yes.
So here what you are doing, here you are telling that your skills is not pertaining to the projects and you are specifically telling that my skills is this and I'm learning something out of it. All right. So this is
Yeah.
what I was telling about. And I was yes. Have you written any self-help book which helped you or something? Yesterday I
Yes.
was yesterday I was reading one of the books, how to learn anything in 48 hours. Okay. So that book gave me the clarity like any skill that might whatsoever we can learn in 48 hours. Okay. Means not understanding level you can learn in 48 hours basically. So the point over here is understanding the things it takes 48 hours, and whatever you are learning that like yesterday I was thinking about to share this insight to you as well. After you document it, right, you create your
Yeah.
own mind maps.
Okay.
Why? Because our brain understands in images, right?
Yes.
See, let's say you understood, right, what is a mind map?
Yes, I understood.
Yeah.
Like pictures we want to show while making some use cases that we want to size use pictures to
Yes, yes,
remember
yes, yes.
that.
You create a document in such a way that you can create a mind map out of it. Okay.
Yeah.
Number one.
Yeah.
So, mind map is the very important thing that you need to have. Okay. So,
Yes.
let's say I will show you. I will just give you one example by sharing my screen. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Let's
So
share
walk.
screen.
Yeah. He or she will be fall down again and again, 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 but he will. stand up and try to walk and walk. So how walk is become casual to us now.
Yes, yes, yes. So
Yeah,
just give me a second. This is what.
I can record by using whiteboard notes. I have a whiteboard actually behind me. You seeing no?
Yeah, you can record it, but the thing is, you have to hold somewhere with that same distance, right?
Yeah, yeah. Have to something plan something to record in the board.
They have great options right now. See,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
You are able to see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is one of the mind map which I was preparing, like when I was preparing a document. Okay.
Okay.
It's opening right now. Okay. So whenever you are learning something, it has to be related with this. When I'm telling mind map means this is the one. Okay. So number one, you have to relate between the subjects, right? Like
Okay.
whatever the data science in the data science will be there, right? There will be a relation. Whatever you learn, not simply learn it. You document it. Whenever recalling will be coming, right? You have to
Yeah.
recall. How you will be
Okay.
recalling that? You will be recalling using some mind maps. That is what my
Okay.
thing was all about, like this, right? So this is, was my main thing that I wanted to share. Right now, what you can take, you take one pick, any topic, random topic right now, present yourself. Here, what you will be gonna learn is prompting technique, how you will be prompting. First you do it,
Okay.
then I will give you the structure path, key prompt, how you have to write in a better way. Okay. Number one,
Okay.
I will be gonna give after you present yourself. Then in the, if you have presented something, so what are the things that you have to keep in mind? All right.
Okay.
So I will give you 15 minutes from now. So you start presenting yourself and uh, you are good to go.
Okay.
You
So
give
I want to talk about Indian marriage.
you can record like
I'm sharing the screen.
yeah, you can just a minute.
Okay.
I will make all participants. Yeah, you can do it now.
Yeah. Can I share my screen now?
Yeah, you can share. You can just right.
Yeah. Just I prompted for the Indian marriages. So I have not made it any, not presented any topic in the Gamma app you said earlier.
You have you not tried gamma.app?
I not understanding how to do that. but I will come up with that. I think I, wait a second. Uh, this
Create new,
much
no?
I'm getting.
Why you are creating from blank? Go back.
Oh,
Go back.
okay.
Create new. With AI, you need to create,
Create.
right?
Yeah.
Generate.
Okay.
So take a topic, Indian marriage systems and financial application.
Yes.
That's it, not a script one.
So I can paste this total. So I get a presentation of that.
Yeah, yeah, you will get it.
Okay.
Don't paste it. Only if you have it, a topic that is also fine, right? It will create for you presentation only.
Yeah, so I can paste the topic here.
Yeah,
I can use this same prompt here. Yes.
okay. And
Okay.
one thing. Don't create generate outline. There is a 8 cards. Are you able to see?
Yes.
So you can increase also, right? If you want, you can increase. Okay, 10
Okay.
cards is enough for us now. You can
Yeah.
generate the outline.
Okay.
See, it created for you, right? So you can just continue. Below there is a button, right? Check the outline. Is it fine? Detail, if you want, you can have a detailed. There is a suggestion where you can have it. Okay. Like theme, they are asking which
In,
theme do you want? You want some little bit funky template or like how is it? Okay.
okay.
So you can click on generate.
Okay.
So it will be just generating the outline, not a detailed one. You have
Okay.
already saw the one of the there, right?
Yes.
See how to create a detailed one.
Okay. Okay.
Varun Maya, Varun Maya YouTube channel.
Yeah.
He is not generating any of the content by itself. He is generating the content from an AI models.
Okay.
Okay, so some of the audio is, but it's not a.
Yeah. He used 11 lab to generate his audio.
Yes,
Uh, I think the output for for giving this minimum prompt, I'm getting this such a good presentation.
right. So
Yeah.
you haven't heard about the Gamma app, right?
Yes.
So number one, okay. So you would present yourself now. What is this particular topic? What will we gonna learn? Just present yourself so the people can understand what you are telling.
Mm. Hi, my name is Rakesh. Today we are discussing about Indian marriages. Here, we go into topic on Indian marriages. Yeah. Um, uh, what is special in Indian marriages? Yeah, right. So we have cultural heritages in spiritual, and one is cultural heritage into spiritual significance. What is cultural heritage? Indian weddings are deeply rooted in ancient tradition and rituals that pass passed down through the generations. There are celebrations of not just two individuals but also their families and communities. Like uh, it's like they're only not marrying two people. It's like for me, like marrying both families. That how much Indian culture is rooted and spiritual. Indian weddings are considered as a sacred union and a blessing from the God. They are seen as journey into new chapter of life filled with love and growth and prosperity. We see that uh, our Indian marriages do in the like they make the marriages in like making with God. They're filled with love and growth and prosperity.
So here I will tell you.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just go back?
Yes.
Okay. So when it understanding when you are presenting yourself, you have to understand
Okay.
one thing. You have to keep in mind of you have to engage the audience first of all. Okay.
Okay.
How will you how will you do that? Okay. While you
Uh,
are explaining, you should be involved into the particular topic, not just you are reading the particular thing. Okay.
yeah.
Explaining also, and as well as you are engaging yourself, you are you should look like you are more interested into it, presenting yourself.
Yeah.
You got the point, right? So let
Yes.
me give you an example. So in this presentation, we will be gonna understand about significance of Indian weddings. Okay.
Okay.
So in the Indian weddings, there is more criteria we will be going to understand about. There is a two aspects altogether. There is cultural heritage and the spiritual significance.
Yeah.
Right. So if I
Yeah.
wanted to talk about culture heritage is nothing but it is coming from the older period of time. The
Okay.
kind of a rituals they follow, kind of a things they follow, the kind of a things they are following the same thing from the past. Okay. So what
Yeah.
I mean to say is whatever the generation comes out altogether, right? Whatever how many years may go, this system, this kind of a culture heritage will not change, won't be changing, right?
Right.
And so so my point over here is Indian weddings are very very attached, very well attached to their traditions, right?
Yeah.
Mm. They are the same thing they are passing down to their kids, passing down to their childrens. This is what happen. So
Yes.
so when I'm talking about the weddings, this is not the celebration of two individuals, not at all, right?
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
all about the families. Family get together. The two people, two families is connecting, right?
Yes.
And they are sharing their feelings to have this particular great function, right?
Right.
So this is what I expect from you. Okay, you explain with the feelings.
Okay. Okay.
Are you getting?
Yes.
Yeah. So, spiritual significance. Indian weddings are considered to be sacred union. Okay, so you cast start the second slide. Start from second slide. You present yourself. I wanna look at it. How you are doing.
Mhm. Uh, diverse tradition and rituals, regional variations. I don't know how to get interact this with. I'm not understanding how to start and interact.
No, you do it. You do it. I will show you. I am giving you 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Just present yourself. I will tell you how to do it. Then later on.
Okay. The diverse traditions and rituals. Uh, we have many type of regional rituals that one of them we are talking about. One is regional variation and religious influence, and three are family involvement. In regional variation, we have like a cultural landscape that reflects in wide range of wedding traditions. In each region has unique costumes and attires and ceremonies. Like that, uh, in Indian weddings are often influenced by various religions, including Hinduism, Sikhism, and Islam, and Christianity. This influence impact the rituals in ceremonies. The India culture is mixed with a mix of cultures. No? So we have different cultures that we talked earlier. We have Hinduism, Sikhism, and Islamism, and Christianity. In each in each uh, own religion, they have own way of uh, variation of religions they have, and the family involvement. The families play the central role in the Indian weddings, from planning the event to performing rituals. Families work together ensure memorable celebration. In family, each person play a crucial role to this involvement of making marriage.
Don't explain right now. Just try to highlight the some of the key aspect. Then move on.
Okay,
So I will
okay,
tell you one of the key aspect how you need to do it. Okay. Then
okay,
we'll wrap up this presentation.
okay.
Okay.
Uh, in pre-wedding ceremonies, is setting the stage. Like uh, we have some of them: engagement, mehendi, and haldi. In an engagement, an official declaration of couple's intention to marry, often involved a ring exchange and blessing from the elders. And coming to mehendi, a traditional ceremony where intact henna and the design are applied to bride hands and feet, symbolic for good luck and prosperity. And haldi, a ceremony where turmeric paste is applied to the bride and groom for blessing and clean their bodies and souls. The main wedding ceremony. a sacred union, pair, peer, and sabati, kanyadanam. The most important peer, the most important ritual where the bride and groom circle the sacred fire 7 times, symbolic in their commitment to each other. In Saptapadi, the 7 steps taken by a bride and groom around the fire, each steps representing a promise for a happy and prosperous, prosperous life together. Kanyadana, a symbolic gesture where bride father gives his daughter hand to groom and signifying the transfer of responsibility and blessings. Post-wedding celebration embrace the new wedding way. We have reception and with a grand celebration where newlywed couple is formally introduced to their combined families and friends. An emotional farewell ceremony where the bride leaves her family home and embarks on her new journey with her husband. This start her new phase of life to her
So
with
now,
an
stop it here. Okay, I will tell you
yeah.
what the things is. I will just present myself here.
Oh,
Okay, so
oh,
just
okay.
understand what I'm talking about. Now, when I'm talking about post-wedding celebration, the it is like enjoying the celebration. This one particularly, right? They
Yeah.
already had a wedding, like they already had marriage altogether. The things is already done. You have mentioned specifically like Sabdapadi, and also the father is giving to her daughter's hand to his groom, basically, right? To share their
Right.
responsibilities. Right now, we will going to understand why the post-wedding celebration is done. So one is the reception. Why the reception is done? Like it is to showcase grand celebration where is when they are invited to new family, right? So this is what
Yeah.
they do basically.
Mm,
So number two, Vidai. It is like an emotional farewell ceremony, like where bride leaves her family home and embarks on new journey with his husband,
yes.
right? So these
Yeah.
are the two things. Can you just slide next slide? Can you?
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah.
conclusion, navigating the social aspect of Indian wedding. One is respect. It shows.
I want to go to conclusion.
No, no, no. That was some diagrams, right? Yeah.
Okay.
One is like what elements you understood. One is the personalized rituals, right? Like they
Yes.
are have a personal touches into the weddings and reflecting their own values and beliefs. Number two,
Yeah.
wedding planners. They will plan the wedding in a such a way that to the manager. So so that most of the work they need to focus on main thing, right? Main aspect of the wedding, not what is happening in the food, what is happening in the whether they are working or not. No, nowadays the peoples are not concerned about it, right? They need to
Yes.
enjoy whatever the wedding things has been done. Okay, that is one thing we understood. Number three, social media. So social media
Mhm.
become an integral part of modern India. Okay,
Yes.
which tells that they will take a selfie, they will take a screenshots, right?
Yes.
So this is what the thing is all about. And you can just scroll. Can you do it into the next slide? Yeah. So consideration, what happens? Have you seen the images? What is happening there? So whenever something
Yeah.
happened, they will give some wedding invitations,
Yes.
right? Then what
Yeah.
happens? The occasion came where the wedding has started. So they'll be fully like furnished. Everything will be the good to go, right? So they have a
Yes.
dancing occasion where there is a song played in the background and they will be dancing for that particular song. And number three, if you see here, Punjabis, how they do,
Yeah.
right? So can you just slide it into the next slide?
Yeah.
Yeah. So conclusion, my point over here is embracing the beauty, like embracing the kind of a culture that in Indian marriages we have, right? So
Yeah.
it's like lot of things all together, right? So they have they offer you a unique opportunity to experience, unique experience basically.
Yeah.
When you are going to the any of the occasions, you have seen the same thing, right? Like how they are planning, how they have do the celebration to get the rich experience basically.
Yes.
So my point over here is you need to pick. So now what I understood is the things is you are postponing, right? So maybe some session was there. I understood. But what may soever, you need to focus on something, right? You need to pick a topic. You need to take a presentation. You need to see each and everything, whether this presentation good or not,
Yeah.
right? These are all factors that you need to think about it. You should not uh, spend most of the times here. Okay. First, you need to
Okay.
spare time in the Gamma app. Is this topic is generating me good thing? Is it
Yeah.
this is the content is good enough for me,
Yeah.
right? I hope
Yes.
you got it
Yeah.
right. So this is the
Yes.
thing is you need to plan priorly.
Okay.
Okay. And when it comes to the prompt part, okay, can you just go switch over the Claude LLM model?
Yes.
Yeah. So here, see, why you are telling is the LLM model is your friend? He is
Like,
only the guiding. He is a machine that he will be generating the information for you. So the way of telling is okay, I will just give you the things right now. So act
yes.
as a script writer. Okay.
Uh,
Task will be write a script into the layman terminology and and explain this to my viewers. First is concept, what, why, and how it is applying.
Yeah.
So you have not changed the one of the things how we can apply particular use case in finance domain. Is it a finance domain there?
No.
No, it is not there. You are not changing that at all. An expectation should be don't write irrelevant code. Write an
Okay.
expectation. In that, highlight the points. Don't write unnecessary code, which I wanted to explain to my one of my viewers. You
Okay.
got the point right now. So have
Yes.
a template, like I will just share you in the chat. You can just have something like that. Give me just 1 minute. Okay. Let me share my screen, and I will. Okay. So
Yeah.
prompt template is simple. Okay. Assign a role. Act as a means you are assigning the role here.
Okay.
Okay. You are assigning a role. Assigning a role. Okay. Got it. So, and
I got it.
assigning a role is act as a, like say, take a now use case like act as a uh, data analyst, expert data analyst. I will give you an example over here. Okay. Act as a data analyst. You are understanding, right?
Yes.
Act as a data analyst having, just I am writing 5+ years of experience. So number one is you need to practice the typing very well.
Okay.
You're understanding, right? Like why it is having some like this particular practice. So if you do the
Yeah.
practice only, you will able to understand. So you
Correct.
need to specify the task. Task you need to perform, perform, and data cleaning. You need to do. You need to do flash fill. Just I'm just writing. Okay.
Okay.
You understand what I am trying to say. So this is a particular task. You need to perform some basic.
There is a monkey type ORG. That's the that you said earlier, no?
Uh, Earlier it was 1 hour. After that they have reduced to 40 minutes basically. We need to upgrade basically.
Okay. Okay.
So I'm planning after this month I will look into it. So make sure that I will upgrade on monthly basis. Actually. We'll look into it, but the things is money is very costly in the Zoom actually. Like if we go,
Okay.
so premium subscription is like very costly. That I
Okay.
felt.
Okay. For now, we can use like this.
Yeah, yeah,
There
yeah.
is no need to buy
Yes, yes,
anything.
yes. What I wanted to do is, what we can do is, we can join through Google Meet itself. Why? Because it is a free itself, right?
B- Uh, but but your screen share is good compared to Google Meet.
Yeah,
I check.
screen share is good, but we the thing is we are lacking with the subscription plan. Okay,
Okay.
once once for the temporary part. Okay, why? Because my focus is if I am focusing on 1 hour, right?
Yeah.
So my mind will be get deviated with different tools. I need to lose that. It will shut down in 40 minutes. Once again, we have to move back to this, right?
Yeah.
The continuity will go,
Yeah.
right? So this
The
is what
candidate will
the,
miss. Yeah.
yes. So see here. So now in the task, you need to do the basic sorting here, right?
Okay.
Come back. We are coming back with the prompt template. So in the task, you need to specify what are the tasks you are doing. Okay,
Okay.
and what your expectation, like let's say you understood that this LLM model is taking wrong thing, right? Don't write unnecessary code for creating a presentation. Okay, don't write unexpected code. You understood?
Yeah.
So like this, you have to specify list of the task like that. Okay. This will be the template. I will just give you the this template. You can just think about it. Don't have same thing, but you should use your brain and use your to fill this particular gaps. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. I
Yeah.
hope today's session was great itself, right? How was
Yes.
today's session?
Yeah, it's great today. Actually,
What you
uh,
learned?
what,
I have to
what,
ask you what you learned today.
yeah, I'm giving gaps while making. I want to fill that gaps. Like, uh, I have to give gap while speaking. Yes, no.
Yeah, so you have to prepare well enough, right?
Yes.
In the night itself. So you have to prepare
Before
yourself.
before making presentation in Gamma, like I want to check the information, how the information is giving,
Yes, yes.
and
So that
I want to be more engaged with the audience. I want to speak like that.
yes, yes. And the what I felt is there is an improvement. I am not saying there is no improvement, but there is 1% you are changing yourself. So you have to prepare well enough before it in hand.
Okay. Yeah.
So preparing the content itself you takes time, but you if
Mhm.
you have prepared before the presenting, so it will be very easy, right, for you.
Yes.
Okay. So I will be sending this prompt template as well in the group, so you can
Okay.
just check it out.
Okay.
Okay. So that was for today. So you have it
Yes.
today's task, whatever the things is all about.
Okay. Done.
Okay.
Mm, like I will for total. I am saying that for like in our day, like I want to spare time like. Sorry for that.
Okay.
I want I want to spend time on soft skills for
So
oh,
why
two
soft
to
skill is important basically is you have to
yeah
explain. Okay. In day to
yeah
day world, each and every people has to communicate, right? You are not an LLM model. Hey, LLM model, do your task. No,
yes
LLM will do it, but
okay
you have to deal with the people, right?
yes
So something happened. You will discuss with the HR. You will discuss with the CEO. You will discuss with some of the other persons, right?
yeah
If you are going to the shopkeeper, you will be telling that what you wanted. He will so that he will be giving to you,
yes
right? So this is why I am doing this particularly. There is no maybe you are feeling like why this guy is doing soft skills first.
no
I need to
no
learn
actually I'm
skills.
about to tell I want in a day I want to spend time on uh, for 2 to 3 hours on soft skills and remaining time of learning skills equally. This is crucially important to get into the market.
Yeah. So what happens initially, you will understand this thing is you are doing right.
Yeah.
So when you get the job, you will be having the same mentality, right? You will wake up early.
Yes.
You got the job, but once again you do the same thing, right? You will be
Yeah.
not
Still, I
focused.
want to do continue with my habits, all habits, as
Yes.
you assigned to me. No. Yeah.
Then instead
It's
of
make
after you get the job, instead of researching, you will upgrade on skills. You will split the time on upgrading on the skills. You will split the
yeah.
time on testing in the market. What are the skills benefiting by
Yes.
giving them more interviews, right?
Yes.
So this is what the flow is all about.
Yeah.
and maybe you will be feeling like why this guy is doing soft skill first.
No.
Be open for
Actually,
that.
you're telling me to learn the skill also. You are telling. Actually, yesterday I'm not mentioned in the task, but you mentioned as where the skill you have mentioned in the
Yeah,
chat
you need to
in our
learn.
group
Why?
chat.
Because
Uh,
this
skill
thing I will be
skill.
not explaining in this week. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
So I am here, which is important in an industry. Soft skills is important, right?
yeah,
So I will be telling that. Then you need to learn a skill as well. You need to document it. After you document it, you need to create a mind map. What you
yeah,
have done whole day, you have to present into the mind map. If
yeah.
you
Sure.
if you come up with these things, this day one, I did this, and I created the mind map for that.
Yeah,
One thing you improve is, one is the documentation skills. Second thing, whatever you are learning, you are converting into a notes where you can only understand about the mind map, and other person also can understand what that mind map is all about.
mm, yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
I hope you understood. So this is what for today's. So
yeah,
do right now. First, number one, share the screenshot after you uh, do some of the things. Okay.
yeah.
Number two, complete with your day-to-day tasks. From today itself, I am telling. I don't want you to focus on this. Share the screenshot. Share the screenshot. No, you do on the in the night. Okay. So you
Okay.
next day you focus on the learnings. Okay. I
Yeah.
don't want to focus on share the screenshot. You will be get irritated, right? Like why this guy is telling 100 of times.
Yes, sure.
So how you were doing for TopMate, the same thing you can do for that. No,
Yeah, sure.
is there any trust issues?
No, no.
No, no, right? So you can do parallel itself. Most of the times, the time will be getting wasted. So that is what's
Yeah.
my objective.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
do the things. Uh, Post that you did it. Just share me the screenshot for confirmation. That's it. Nothing
Yeah.
apart from. Okay, fine.
Yeah. Yeah.
You will
We
do.
will do the remaining task.
Yeah,
Sorry for that, actually. For
yeah.
tomorrow,
Keep
I'll
me
give you.
posted. What you are doing
Yeah.
today's task. What are the list of all tasks that you will be going to do?
Yeah.
So just have a group for communication.
Yes. Yes, sure. Sure. I will.
Bye, Rakesh. Bye. Have
Mm,
a
bye,
great
Akash.